morning, everyone. I am here today to talk to you about PCoIP, right? So this is a question that we frequently get, like, why is PCoIP important, right? But first thing, let's start with talking about what is PCoIP. It's a remote display protocol that enables the delivery of virtual desktops and applications from a centralized data center to a remote client over a network, right? Knowing its stats and its metrics and its performance is crucial in the VDI environment, right? As you're monitoring it, is because it directly impacts the end user experience and helps the administrators identify performance issues in these virtual desktops, right? So let's get into the main reasons why PCoIP metrics or stats or looking at those stats are important, right? So the very first thing is around user experience monitoring. So the PCoIP protocol is responsible for delivering like a smooth, high quality desktop experience to users. So by monitoring its metrics, the desktop administrators can track the latency, the packet losses, the bandwidth utilization, and these things directly influence how responsive and usable the virtual desktop is for the end user. So any high latencies or packet losses can cause your screen to freeze. It could cause sluggish interactions. Overall, a degraded user experience. So monitoring these statistics and metrics helps desktop administrators detect and troubleshoot these issues very quickly. The next one is around network performance insights, right? So PCoIP is a network intensive protocol. So monitoring its stats, right, provides visibility into how well the network infrastructure is supporting the VDI performance, right? So this is a common issue that we hear a lot from the customers these days. Oh, it's the network that finally we discovered was responsible for the poor VDI performance. So issues like network congestion, low bandwidth, high jitter, right? All these things can be detected by looking at the PCoIP stats, right? This will help those desktop administrators work closely with the networking team to optimize the network resources assigned for the VDI infrastructure and then improve the performance. In terms of the next topic would be in terms of performing or looking at or troubleshooting performance bottlenecks, right? So as I've mentioned, the PCoIP statistics, right, are very helpful in diagnosing problems related to the poor virtual desktop performance. So again, high packet losses or poor frame rates, right? These are things that would indicate there are problems with the networking hardware, misconfigurations, or need for bandwidth allocation adjustments, right? So again, desktop administrators can take actions to resolve these issues. The last one would be around capacity planning and resource allocation, right? So by monitoring the individual session performance and the PCoIP stats with regards to it, the IT team can anticipate future needs and then plan capacity for optimal performance for their VDI environment, right? So again, if the PCoIP stats are showing consistent high resource consumption, right, you as the administrator can allocate more resources to support that growing demand for your users. So overall, to summarize, right, understanding or observing PCoIP stats in a VDI environment is super essential to ensure that high quality user experience, and then proactively tracking these metrics should be the highest priority for any desktop administrator. Hopefully this was very helpful to everyone here. If you want to take a look at the Vila U Observe solution in action for your VDI environment and how the PCoIP stats can help you ensure that you have the best user experience that you're going to deliver for your customers, you can visit us at www.vila.com and then browse to the free trial page. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.